In this video, we're going over the blade wear adjustment for a dozer or grader. So if we're inside of the grade screen and you know that you've changed cutting edges or you want to adjust for the blade wearing on the project, all you have to do is have the surveyor set you a hub. And on a dozer, you want to make sure it's roughly the same height as the bottom of the tracks, because that's where it's going to be most accurate to make the adjustment. We want to get as accurate as possible. And you will set the corner of your blade down on that hub, or they can, if the surveyor's there, you can just have them put the tip of the rover pole directly on the left or right side of the cutting edge. And then you'll read your cut and fill values. And however much different you are between you and the surveyor, you will go into tools and blade settings, and you will subtract that amount as the blade wears, or raise that amount if the cutting edge has been replaced, however much you're off on the left side and right side. So for example, we're at it's changing because I can't stop the simulator, but we're at a 1700s fill. If I go into blade settings and change this to, say I didn't have a cutting edge for some reason, we can just kind of exaggerate it. We can see how much my cut and fill has changed. And you can also see that's affected the slope drastically. So I'm going to go set that back to 164. And back out, and so that's all you do on each side of the blade. Now on the motor grader, you want to check that the you want to check it on the side that the mast is on, and then after you've done that, spin the grader around, put the side that the mast is not on that same point, and make sure that that it matches as well. If the side that the mast is not on doesn't match, then you need to do a 2D machine calibration to calibrate the sensors on a robotic grader setup. On a dual grader setup for dual GPS, it would be the exact same as the dozer. Just check each side and adjust it accordingly. Thank you for watching.